favorite house that you've ever shown?
I feel like Logan picked the same one as me, but I don't want to say too much.
Yeah, like I don't know how much detail.
Yeah, it was our own listing. His buyer bought it. We loved that floor plan so much.
That was a special house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys would remember it.
Yep.
Just loved, like, it had the European windows and doors, finishes, and 2 stairwells down to the basement, one direct from the
Built really well.
Really well.
garage. Yeah,
Really
just
well.
Yeah.
like it felt like German engineering, and you were just like, yeah.
It was a cool house. It did have a small backyard though. That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smaller. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. It
Deal
was.
breaker for you guys.
I mean, yeah, we would personally. I have no interest in living in River Heights. That's just because of it's almost too central. As dumb as that may seem.
Yeah.
Because of the way we live.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm trying to think of.
But how, like, house itself, that house,
Yeah. Checked all the boxes.
That overall,
one
that
was a
house
cool
was pretty cool.
and it had like designated main floor office, all the
Yeah,
stuff
nice.
we would want for our
Yeah.
lifestyle. Yeah.
I showed one recently. It was a new build, like, which normally I like. We've done other videos. Normally the new build thing is not my thing.
Yep.
Yeah. But again, just like the quality, same similar like European-ish vibe, but very, I would say more like indoor, outdoor, also like California outdoor living.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
I like that.
Like,
Yeah.
again, and I just, I was like, yep, this is probably the best, again,
Yeah.
best house I've probably seen.
Really. And I remember you saying, like, value-wise, it
I
felt
was
like it was.
well, that was another thing. The value-wise shocked me.
Yeah. For what you're
For what you were getting.
Yeah. I've seen a few in like River Heights that they're just stunning with all the character. Yeah. Anything that holds a lot of character, I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Would you live in one though?
No.
I'm
Yeah,
the same.
I'm-
It's not
the
my
same.
style, but
Yep.
when I'm showing them, I really appreciate all the character.
Agreed.
But it's just not my personal taste.
If I didn't have to maintain the house, I would
Yeah.
probably live in one.
Okay.
Worry of an older house would eat at me. Something I
Yeah.
can't really switch off,
Okay.
and so it
Yep.
would. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I love me a good old big character house.
Okay, but you would love like the style of it.
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love the creaky floors. I love
Yeah.
like the
The
character
wood.
window, the big baseboards.
the ghosts.
The ghost.
Take or leave those.
We've had a couple of like, I would almost call them like weird listings that I
Like
really liked. Yeah, like
Architecturally unique.
yeah, like
Or
some of that like mid-century modern type vibe.
Yeah.
like
We've had some cool ones.
yeah.
like again, I don't want to like this is the house, but
The one in Woodhaven?
yeah,
Yeah, I like that one
Like,
too.
loved it.
And that
Yeah.
one was like,
And it was dated. Like it wasn't anything.
so dated.
It was dated, but again, like
You
it
could
was just
keep a lot
one
of
of those
the
ones. I
features,
was
though.
like, I love it.
And
there was
modern.
just a vibe to that
Yes.
house too. Like you walked in, you looked down to like the creek and the
Yeah.
fields, and it was just
yeah.
it was a special house, and people went crazy on that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Oh yeah.
it was
that's
special.
right.
It was a cool one.
Yeah, people saw the value in that one.
I will say too, like there's lots of houses that you walk into and like the pictures don't do it justice. Like you can't tell in the photos, but you get in and it's just like a feeling of like, this is a special house
Yep.
Yes.
and people are going to go crazy for it.
Yes.
And it's, I can't tell you why.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just feels like home.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
It's just it feels like
Feels
everything
like
is
home.
thought out.
Yep.
Yeah. No, I agree.
And that would be like that one. I feel like I could, was there a feature in it that was like, this was why?
Yeah.
Like, no, it was just, I
Felt good.
Yeah.
I agree. And like when you were in it, you knew you were gonna find something like that.
Yeah.
You're right.
Like
yeah,
it
like the
was
special.
Uniqueness of
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, for sure. No, I agree. We've also shown like now I'm picking up a house and putting it on a lot. There have been some beautiful South Drive backyards that go on for miles and miles before you hit river. And now, like, I would have torn the house down that we saw for that yard. But yeah, there have been a few where it was just something special, that yard.
Yeah. Yeah, I can still picture it. I still remember the house that was there. I still
Yeah.
remember like every bit of, we were like, can we make this function? It was just, like, it was too, I think it was before we bought this house. I don't know, I can't remember.
We might have actually owned this house. I
Maybe
don't know.
we did. But it was like, anyways, it was one of those ones where it was right on the cusp of we could make this work, but it's going to take a lot. And we were just like, we probably would have, like looking back, we probably would have just have that spot.
Well, I know now
But-
to pay, like at the time
one that got
house,
away.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
it
that's
is
probably-
the one
that-
that got away. But it's
And not even for the house, like just the lot. Like
well, and who did end up buying that house, tore
tore
that
down
house
and made
down.
a beautiful, like
built a
two-story,
beautiful house.
gorgeous house. So
And in hindsight, that's what we should have
That's
done.
what we should have done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We actually have friends
But at
down
the
there.
time, you're trying to see how you could make the house work.
yeah,
Yeah, we were
Okay.
trying to figure out a way to make it work.
Yeah.
We didn't think outside of the box on that one at all.
I
But,
can't like, to be honest, I'm just not great with the whole like ripping down and starting fresh. Like I have a
Hard time getting
hard
around
time
that.
with
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
We both grew up in households where our parents built houses, but for some reason we have no desire
Yeah.
to do it
Yeah.
ourselves whatsoever.
I think the house has to be a tear down already.
Yeah.
To be able to
Yeah.
wrap your head around it, right? Like,
True.
Yeah, for
that's
sure.
like structural, like, hey, this is a lot value type lot.
Yeah. Like in hindsight now to do it differently, and we actually have friends that did this, and I'm like, that was so clever. To just buy for that lot, rent that house out until you're ready to do
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, if you know that's
While you
the
go
lot
through all the
that-
permit.
A lot. I feel like that happens a lot in Charleswood. Like, because there's
Yeah,
a
that-
lot of like little houses with big lots, and it's like there's perfect little rentals, nothing
Yeah.
wrong with it. It's just, and then, but you know that in 10 years, it's like that will be your
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah. And now to get what we would want on a lot like that, a holy dynamite.
goodness,
Yeah. It would be tough. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, I would honestly, there hasn't been too many houses where the house itself blew me away, but bits and pieces from different places. Like I had
Yeah.
clients offer on a place in Charleswood a couple years ago. They didn't get it, but it had the nicest lot. Like I don't really want to live in Charleswood, but for that lot, I was like, I don't know. I think it was like 400 feet deep right on the river. Like it looked like a park. Like it was crazy nice.
yeah.
I showed one out in Graham Point too, kind of the same thing. And at that time, until I saw this other house, I was like, this is probably
Yeah.
one of the nicest house I've seen, but a little less for, I was like, it wouldn't necessarily be for me, but
Right.
I could appreciate like, this is
Yeah.
The
the construction. This was an awesome house.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah. I actually had a client lose out on one the other day that was pretty unique too. But yeah, that was one of those properties that we walked into and I said, it's listed here. There's no offer date on it. Get your offer in today. And we did, but there were 5 offers in a day. And we wrote a really good offer, if you ask me. But knowing the agents we were up against, I was like, they're going to write a gooder offer.
There's just going to be gooder.
Yeah. Yeah. I just knew that, if we were going to, somebody was going to really go hard on that.
Yeah.
Because it's unique and you're not going to see a house or a lot like that again or a location like that again anytime soon.
Yeah.
So,
I also like when you show a house and it just completely surprises you. Like it just takes you completely off guard. I remember, I think, Aim, when you were on mat leave the first time, I showed some of your clients stuff in like the Lac de Bonnet area, which we don't do a lot of work in, but
disclaimer.
yeah. But
Anymore.
it was like a newer construction like thing out like on this, right on this lake, and you walked in and it was like this really cool like little A-frame cabin. It was just built like everything was just super functional and neat in it, and I was like, oh yeah, I can see why someone would want to live in this. Like it was really cool. It just totally caught me off guard from what I was expecting to see. And then I saw another one like that in Gimli. Actually, it was like early on. We showed a lot more stuff for real. We don't have as much time for that, but I might not have even been when I was a real. It might have been when you were a realtor, and I was just like,
For my tag
like road trip for a showing or something. But
back in the day, I remember you coming out with me to like Gimli because I had like 2 houses to show, and then I was like, and then we can hang out for the rest of the day and make a day of it, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, and I just remember there being one place out there. It was like this great big shack open out looking to Lake Winnipeg, and I was like, yeah, that's pretty
Pretty cool.
that'd be a pretty cool view every day.
sometimes too, though, like it's so funny, and this is also speaks to the power of staging. Like, it's something unique you see in a house that just like switches something in your brain. Like, you're like, I need this house. Like, I remember one time, it's so stupid, but they had like a wrapping room for like all their wrapping paper, and it was like lined up, and it was so perfect, and it was so organized. It was just like,
I need a wrapping
paper. This is so intelligent. I hate bringing that wrapping paper up from the basement every time I need to wrap something. But sometimes it's just something unique and little like that can have such a huge impact in like, honestly, just painting a picture of how you're going to use this house in this space. We have friends with a Lego room, which is pretty dang cool if you ask me.
I remember military clients came in, and unfortunately this house already had an offer on it. It was like a 48-hour clause situation. And there was like, the garage was super tall above the garage. We couldn't figure it out. And then there was just a hidden, like, it wasn't an attic access. It was just like a hidden door. And you went in, and it was like they had thought about finishing this space, but just didn't. So it was just open drywall. And I was like me and him went in there, and like the family was off looking at the rest of the house. We were in there for probably like half an hour talking about what we could do and like how we could set it up.
It's a cool thing.
They were like, she called, she's like, where are you guys? We're like, oh, we're in the attic space. And like, it was just like, the whole thought of it was like, this could be like a little secret man cave. It was really cool.
Yeah, it is.
That is cool.
Yeah.
I thought like a bookshelf, like open secret room.
Yeah.
Which
Like,
is
make
cool.
features stand out, right?
Yeah. It also just shows that attention to detail that, you're not seeing everywhere. It makes it different, special. Yeah. But yeah, we had one in Linden once where there was a secret, like in the kids' closet. There was a whole another secret room.
Yeah, that was cool too.
Yeah.
Super cute.
And the people said, they wrote us a letter. They said, we are buying this because.
Yeah.
So in the yard, I thought it's cute. I've seen a couple of them now. I think it's more common when they like put like a little hole in the fence for the dog to see out.
Like,
I just think coming
The
out.
windows.
The bubble.
Yeah. Well, it also shows like we think the neighbors are friendly. Like the neighbors are nice. We get along with one another.
Or there's like the shelf that comes down
Yeah.
for to have a beer with your neighbor.
Yeah. No, it really paints a picture. But and I'm seeing a lot more staging of outdoor living spaces now to kind of
Enhance the
indoor
space.
living. Yeah. And I honestly, I think that goes a long way. We forget when it's summer in Winnipeg that
We actually have nice summers
here. That we aren't going to use it, but in the summer, absolutely expand your living space into that yard. Paint that picture. But I don't know. Was there one perfect house that you and I have seen?
I don't think so.
No.
Not yet.
I don't think so. We've seen a lot of houses and not a lot.
Houses.
And the ones that have got us closest to moving were ones that needed a substantial amount of work
Always.
all over again.
Always.
I don't know why. We just love to suffer. Together, though.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Like Charleswood was the last close one.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we decided Charleswood.
Yeah. If that house was in the south, we might have considered it.
Oh,
South.
Yeah. You can't get any more south than we are.
No,
but
we're like south perimeter south.
Yeah. But that was the closest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't say I've seen anything worthwhile. That's really sticking out that I would sell my current place and move to.
There was one. Did you see that one on Salome a little while ago? It was probably 5 years ago now. 4 years ago, 3 years ago.
Just a little while.
It had
There's not a lot that comes up
it
in
had
that
a
area.
tree growing out of the sunroom.
Oh yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah.
That was a cool house.
It was cool. It wasn't straight, but
I think if you're looking to live in that area, you know it's not going to be straight.
yeah.
I don't think I remember it.
Okay. It my guys wanted to like it so bad, and it was just if you were willing to do some work and take on some risk and gambles, this one could be cool, but it would have been a cool opportunity to get onto that street into that area. Yeah.
The last one I saw was a couple years ago, and it was in the basement. They had wallpaper on the foundation wall, and you could see the foundation crack in it
through the wallpaper.
Through the wallpaper, and I was like, there was like a ledge to it, and
Hack.
It was a little.
Use the flashlight on wallpaper, see what you can see behind it. Holy smokes!
Yeah, a little more work than I was gonna put in, but
okay. So nobody's moving anytime soon. Sam's the
Not
next,
me.
but it's apparently going to be a tough battle because you haven't seen anything you like more than your place. So, okay.